Alright, I picked up this Maytag off the street. It's 5200 digital, obviously. It's in pretty good shape. One of the panels is broken, but I have some extras here. It's not in bad shape. I did turn this on already, and it seems to work, but it's very noisy. These Maytags are noisy to begin with, but the rear radiator's rattling quite a bit. Let's turn it on. Alright, now our must have tripped the delay. Oh, there it goes. It scared me. Yeah, it seems to everything's fine with this. It's just I have to do something about that noise. This is a Ricci compressor. Yeah, if I put my hand here, see, it stops. These Maytags, they don't have screws up here. There's no screws on the upper case in the back at all. I mean, you got these are for the radiator down on the pan. But there's no screws up here. So, I think I've had this happen with them before. Alright, I got the cover off here. So there's no noise once you take that cover off. It's this thing vibrating against the cover. So this actually does have a lip on it, and there's two holes here. So I could drill two holes in the back of that and just put a screw through each side. That'd probably fix it. Or I could just wedge some foam like up along here. They already got one little piece of foam here. Put some foam down the side. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do one of those two things. Alright, we'll come back. Okay, so I just finished working on this. Yeah, I got it all cleaned up and I hopefully fixed the noise back there. Yeah, so I drilled a couple holes on each side. I drilled one hole on each side and put a screw through it. I also put a couple pieces of foam up here, so it should be pretty tight back there, hopefully. And I scrounged up another panel. So let's take a look at the label on this. It's a 5200. It's made by Fedders. Made in PRC. Huh. Usually it doesn't say where it's made. That one does. So it's there you go. It's made in China. You know, I always wondered where these are made. So usually it doesn't say on there. So the compressor's on. Yeah, so much quieter now. I figured it would be. Yeah, I've had this happen before on these Maytags. You know, the back kind of rattles. It's not loose or anything back there. Those screws on the bottom are tight. So it just happens with these things. I don't know. They kind of skimp on the screws with these. They could have put a couple in up there from the factory, but whatever. Yeah, it sounds good now. Yeah, so it just says high and low in auto. That's high. It's not a big difference in the speeds. So there you go, that worked out pretty good. So put this sucker up for sale. All right, see you next time.